Today we'll talk about how can you disable volume buttons on your app, on your Vizio app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go down, click here on account down here, and just click here on accounts. Then it's going to take you to next CPU. So then all you have to do, you just click here on app settings here and just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to volume buttons. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone. That's mean here volume buttons disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.